I pull up in that motherfucking Honda on 26s. You already know how I be. I be fucking bitches. Fucking bitches left and right. Fucking bitches right and left. Oh shit, I just caught a motherfucking case. We blowing off the bays. Yeah. We got lit yesterday. Yeah. We smoked a 420. Hey. And we smoked about 30 motherfucking backwoods. And you know we off the Hatwood. It was off that good shit. None of that weak shit. Then I drunk a couple hits. Yeah.